This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on charting in Excel, and in this session we learn about how to create cylindrical, pyramidal and conical bar charts in Excel. Now, when we talk about bar charts, we learned that they are just a tilted version of their column chart counterparts, and to create any one of them we need to need to select the data always. Then we need to go on to the insert button over here, tab, and click on the bar menu and click on any of these buttons. So let's just create an example of this. So this is a comparison between the sales of product A and product B across different months of the year. Now, what if for representational purposes, instead of these lines over here, broad lines over here, I wanted these to be replaced by shape of pyramids, or by shape of cylinders, or maybe even the shape of cones. Excel provides you the functionality of making these kind of charts by selecting the data, going on to the insert option, clicking on the bar menu over here, and then clicking on this button for cylinder charts. So you can again see Excel has made a cylindrical bar chart out of the same data out of which this thing was also based, and the only difference between these two charts is that this is a cylindrical representation of data, and it means that each and every value over here, this red line, this thick red line and thick blue line, have been replaced by a cylindrical red line and a cylindrical blue line. And again, a point to be noted about this is that the cylindrical chart can only be of three-dimensional nature, because there is no concept of a cylinder in two dimensions. Let's just move ahead and create a three-dimensional conical chart out of this also. So we first select the data, go on to the insert tab over here, click on the bar button, and click on this cone button, clustered horizontal cone. So there you go. Again, we have represented the same kind of data which was here with this kind of data. Now you have the thick red lines being represented by cones here, and you can see the tip is where the whole cone ends, and you can measure the value of the tip against the numbers over here, and then you can estimate the value. And quickly moving on to the last example of this session. What if you wanted to create up a pyramidal chart over here? Instead of these thick lines over here, you wanted pyramids to take its shape. All you need to do is go on, first select the data, go on to the insert tab over here, then the bar menu, and then you go on to the pyramid over here. So again, you can see these thick red and blue lines have been replaced by pyramids over here, and they give a very good description of the way charts would look like. Again, as per my previous recommendations, the 3D charts are quite confusing when it comes to representation of data, and they seldom represent the accuracy of the data which is being represented by them. And you should always use 3D charts when getting to know about the accurate data is not the case, and you only want to represent cones or pyramids or cylinders for aesthetic purposes. For rest of the times, it is always better to work with the normal looking bar charts, two-dimensional bar charts. So this is all about creating 3D cylindrical, conical and pyramidal charts in Excel. Thank you for watching.